I have got a fantastic trick for you. Now, let's imagine we had students in high school, freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors, and they're in different class codes, and we wanted to get the average grade point. We're going to see that grouped in on 4 different lines, but I'm going to show you a way to use a horizontal case to get everybody listed on the same line. Check this out. I'm going to show you a very clever trick. Here we have SQL that gives us the average grade point per class code. A very simple statement. And you can see we have 4 rows because we've grouped by class code, and there are 4 different class codes. Now we're going to run this again, but we're going to put it on not 4 rows, but 1 row. So this is horizontal case. We're going to take an average. We're going to case the class code. If they're a freshman, then we will average their grade point. Else, null. And that's the real key here. Any averages that have a null, the null is ignored. So now we have a second case statement. You see the comma? We will average same case class code, but we'll be looking for sophomores. If they are a sophomore, we've got the grade point averaged. Else, null. Talk to the hand, ignore it, you're dead to me is pretty much what that says. Now we have another average. We look for juniors. If they are a junior, then we'll put the average grade point in, and seniors. So we have 4 separate statements. It's going to take a little longer because this is not one case. This is 4 different case statements. So each row goes through all 4 of those, and 3 of the times it's going to put a null in, but once it'll put the average in because they're either a freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior. We've created the procedure. Now let's go to the Nexus, open a new query, and let's make this a vertical tab so we can see this in action. So we're going to execute this. First thing we're going to have to do, though, is we're going to have to set our database. So let's come in here and put the use command in. There we go. Use SQL class. We can't put that inside a stored procedure. So I want to make sure we run it from SQL class. Here we execute this. Now we've got a horizontal view, 1 row that shows the freshmen, the sophomores, the juniors, and the seniors. That's the beauty of this little trick. The next time somebody says, look at that beautiful sunset over the horizon, you're going to be able to say, you know, that reminds me of the horizontal case, and it's just as beautiful because it puts everything on 1 line, and that's a trick that you're going to be able to become a superstar with, and nothing's going to be prettier or nicer than that.
This lesson is brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Serving the data warehousing needs of the world for 20 years. Check out coffingdw.com for more information.